everybody. So I wanted to do a follow-up to my DIY watch club video because it's clearly still very, very heated. So I just wanted to do a little second dive into this. I'm not gonna show you the watch I made anymore. You can see that in the old video, but I just want to show you a quick comparison here. So the watches that are currently for sale on DIY Watch Club. Okay, first of all, the sale prices are ridiculous to begin with. If you're paying full price, that's insane. But like, let's just go right at the top here. To build this GMT with an NH34 movement, and that's not including the extra tools, they want $390. Regularly over $500. Got a little display back, cool NH34. So here's where I buy everything from. The Miyuxi official store. I bought multiple watches here. You come in, you pick the movements you want to buy for, and it'll give you everything that fits that movement. Everything here will fit. If the movement needs a spacer for the case, it's there, it's included. Everything is very simple. Here's all the cases you could buy. You could buy them with a bracelet, you could buy them without a bracelet. If you don't like the bezel that comes on it, they sell bezels. You come into the bezel and you pick the one that will fit the size of the watch. The movements are all here. So just as a comparison, they're selling this watch for $390. I made it for $132, and you can customize them more. I made it like a black base style watch face, but there's so many more that you could do. That movement is $49. You buy the hands you want. I just didn't change the colors. You can make these whatever you want. If you want to change out the bezel and make it a GMT bezel, it's another $13. So you're sitting at about $140. Then you buy the watch toolkit. This toolkit is $18. And it is substantially better than the one that I paid extra for to get from DIY Watch Club. Sure, these aren't the greatest tools in the world, but you get so much in these cases that will help you. All you really need to do to make these DIY Watch Club watches is put on the hands and put the movement in the case. There's really nothing needed. You don't need to, especially this comes with a rubber bracelet for $390. You're getting metal here. If you wanted to put rubber on this, you can. You could probably just buy the watch case itself for substantially less and then buy a rubber bracelet. You can do all of this for so much cheaper than this price. It's insane. You're paying for this giant box, and you're not even getting the box. This is the brown bag. If you wanted the box upgrade, it's $460. People, this is absolutely insane. I feel like half the people arguing with me on here don't understand that they're getting ripped off, or they're getting paid by DIY Watch Club to comment and be obnoxious. But you can even follow the same videos that DIY Watch Club posts to make these. The steps are identical. Plus, there's so many videos on YouTube that will take you through the same exact steps. You can customize this. You can make it everything you want. You can make the hands different. You can make the case different, the face different. They offer faces that you could put your own logo on for cheaper than $460. $355 if you just want it with the hand setting tool only. People, this is insane. Trust me. These are not worth it. Don't spend that money. They're buying the same parts and massively marking them up. I'm trying to stop you from getting scammed here. Please, please, please buy these parts. Make a watch that's important to you, that's exactly what you want, and do it for half the price. Same steps, just as easy. And you'll get a toolkit that you can keep for substantially longer. Trust me, people, this is the way to go. Thank you.